Okay, so we've learnt what the names of the notes are. If I point to one, you should be able to work it out by starting from A and then counting your way up. I'm just recapping there a bit. What we really want to be able to do is to play chords, to be able to play songs. What I'm trying to do is give you the tools to almost treat the piano like people play the guitar as an accompaniment to songs that you want to learn to play, right? So I'm going to teach you how to play chords. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play 7 chords. There are lots of different flavours or types of chords. The ones I'm going to cover in this video are the major ones, which sound happy. Okay, we're doing the happy chords. But if we want to play a chord, we need to find out what the first note is. And this is not very complicated, especially now that we know what the names of the notes are. So let's say I wanted to play a C chord. I have to find the first note of that chord, and the clue is in the name. Okay, if it's called a C chord, the first note we need to find is a C. Okay, so let's do that. And it's not a race, we don't need to do it quickly. So we'll find our group of 3. There's our M black note. We know that this one is A, because it's next to that. A, B, C. Okay? There's our first note. Okay? I'm going to leave that pressed down with my thumb there. Okay? Because the next thing we need to do is find the next note that sounds nice with that. Now, to do that, what we have to do is look at the notes coming after it, black ones and white ones, and we're going to count up 4 keys. Okay? Doesn't matter what colour it is. As soon as we come to a key, we're going to count it. We're not going to count this one, the C, because we've already got that one. We've pressed it. Okay? So here we go, counting up 4 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's play them together. They sound nice. So we're trying to play a C chord. We find C, A, B, C. We count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be really careful not to miss any keys out, because then it won't sound very nice. Okay? Has to be 4 keys. After we've got that, we're going to then count up 3 keys from there. So again, we're not counting this one. We're just going to count up 3 keys. 1, 2, 3. There we go. That is a C chord. And it doesn't matter where we play it on the piano. It's essentially the same chord. So let's try it further up the piano. I need to find a C. Here we go. Here's our end group of 3 black notes. So that must be A, B, C. There we go. There's our first note. Hold it down. Count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count up 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So I'm noticing that the C here, if we look at it in terms of a pattern, the C is at the start of the 2 black notes there. So here's 2 notes down here. That must be a C too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That sounds nicer. I prefer it down there. Okay, so that works. Let's try it with another chord. Let's try it with an F. Okay, so here's our A note. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I found F. I count up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. F chord. F starts at the beginning of that group of 3 there. So let's find another one of those. Oh, there's another one. Beginning of the group of 3. So that must be an F. F chord. Brilliant. Let's try G chord. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. G starts there, in between that group of 3, just after the first black one in the group of 3. Let's try and find another one of those there. Oh, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Same thing down here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so did anybody notice anything about the shape of those 3 chords? Let me just play them again. C and F and G. They're all the same shape, okay? It's a white note, miss a white note, miss a white note, white note. So we're only trying to learn 7 chords at the moment, and 3 of them are the same shape. C and G and F. We can play some 50s rock and roll with that if we wanted. Okay, let's try it with a D chord. Okay, so here we go. Starting again from A, because this is our anchor. This is where we work out what the name of the notes are. A, B, C, D, E. There's E. I'm going to count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this time on the 4th one I've ended up on a black note. That's totally fine. And now I'm going to carry on counting up another 3. 1, 2, 3. All together. Okay, so this one's more like a triangle shape. Okay, so that's E, that one. Let's try it with a D here. 1. Oh, I'll find the D first. Okay, there's our A. Count up. B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There it is. D shape. Also, that same triangle shape. Okay, another pattern emerging. Let's try it with A. So there's A. And we know it's A. We don't have to do any counting because that's where we're anchoring ourselves. Let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Same shape again. So these 3 chords, D and E and A, are all that same triangle shape with a black note at the top. So let's just recap. Flat white shape with these C and F and G. And a triangle shape with this D and E and A. Okay? 2 shapes, 6 chords. There's one other chord that we're trying to cover in this video of just major happy chords, and that's a B. So let's find it. A, B, that's our first note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Slightly different shape, but it follows the same rule of finding the first note, the name of the chord, and then counting 4 and then 3. We don't use B very much anyway, so don't worry about it. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is just spend a little bit of time familiarising yourself with the shape of those chords and moving between them. And you'll find really quickly, you know, just a couple of minutes a day, just going C, D, B, F, G, A, B, or you could do it flat note shape, triangle shape, flat note, triangle, odd shape. However you want to call it, it doesn't really matter.